Hey, good afternoon, everyone. This is Brian Kelly reporting to you from my home office here in Garner, North Carolina. Just want to do another quick video. As you guys know, I do trade the E-mini S&P 500, and I wanted to show you this here. As you can see, it's the ES 1220. That's the contract. It's a 3-minute chart, so that means every vertical bar you see here, uh, it happens every 3 minutes. Every single bar is a 3-minute bar. So that's how that works. And so it's been a really, really good day today. As you can see over here, let's see, let me show you hold on a second. These are the prices of the E-mini S&P 500. And you have some up and down movement, which is normal. But the bottom line is this: hey, you can make money with this whether the market goes up or goes down. Also, I have created a system, created a program, created a course that you can use on a daily basis. That you don't have to make 5 or 10 points per day. My course is structured so that you make 1.25 points per day on the E-mini SP 500. Actually, I have two trading methodologies that I show you how to do, and getting those points is relatively easy. In the course, I say it can take you like an hour or two, but in reality, lately it's been taking probably 30 minutes or less to do that. So if you don't have a lot of time to do this, that's still fine. If you can trade it during the regular business hours, which are 9:30 Eastern Standard Time to 4:15 Eastern Standard Time, that's fine. Lots of volume there. But if you can't do that, then that's still not a problem, because this will work. If you have to go to work early, you can trade before you go to work, or you can trade after you get home from work. So it doesn't really make any difference. Whenever you want to trade, you can do that. A lot of courses, they focus mainly on the times during the day, but most people in reality have jobs and they can't do that. So that kind of makes it obsolete for them. They won't be able to do it. But this course here, I show you a couple of different methodologies that you can use to actually make money in the market. Now, I will tell you, it doesn't make any difference whether you have traded the commodity market or stocks or whatever. If you've never traded anything at all, it makes absolutely no difference at all, because my course is really drop dead simple. I made it that way because a lot of people in talking to, they just don't really have a clue. And so I wanted to kind of break it down and make it very simple for them. And the thing about it is, man, it's like the people who um, own these courses and things like that, who charge you a ton of money, what they want to do is they want to make things seem very complicated. Okay, and they have all these lines and indicators and everything on their charts, and they want to make it so that it sounds really complicated so you can buy their course. And that's fine and well, but I'm here to tell you, guys, this is not easy by any means, but it's not that hard. Okay, it's not that hard. um, the way I have my course structured is I basically use one indicator. um, it keeps you on the right side of the market, and all you have to do is just follow the step-by-step instructions that I do, and it's very, very easy to meet your daily goals. Simple as that. I make no bones about it. I just lay everything out. I have videos that actually show you how to get everything set up, um, different terminology, everything that you need to get started. So there's I leave no stone unturned. And again, it doesn't make any difference whether you have experience or not. When I first started doing this a few years ago, didn't really know anything about this at all, but I worked hard, and I kind of I bought a lot of courses, made some money, lost a lot of money. But the bottom line is, I realized that this thing in trading is very simple. It's very simple, but people always want to complicate things and make things seem as though they're really hard to do, but when in actuality they're not. So I cut through all of that stuff. I lay it out I'm talking like the learning curve for this methodology that I teach is probably a day or so at the very most. Because it's like, I say, do this, do this, do this. If you do that, then there's a very high chance you will be successful with this trading program. And again, this is the E-mini SP500. Most people have never heard about this before. It's kind of I call it a sleeping giant, but there's a lot of good volatility, a lot of good movement. So you will be able to have a high chance of making some really good money. But like I said, if you don't know what you're doing, then you could possibly lose your shirt. You don't want to do that. So like I said, I have a good course. If you want to take a look at the video, I have a video at secretwealthprogram.com. It's like a 20-minute YouTube video that can kind of give you some more information as to what this is all about. I'll put the link below to kind of, show you what it is and everything like that. But, this is something that you can do on a part-time basis, full-time basis if you want to. And again, this will take you probably 30 minutes to an hour to do this, and you're done. And the way you really make money doing this is, you make your 1.25 points per day on, let's say, one contract. And as your confidence builds, your bank account builds, what you want to do, you want to add on, you want to scale. In other words, you want to add more contracts. In other words, instead of trading one contract, you'll trade 3 contracts or 4 contracts or 5 contracts. And then, ultimately you want to do maybe 10, 20 contracts. And so you're using the same methodology in the same amount of time. It's just the only difference is you're trading more contracts. So that allows you the ability to make a lot more money. But again, you want to just get good at this, really get your confidence up. And I show you exactly how to do that step by step. Make no mistake about it. This thing is very thorough and very good. And I think you can really learn it. This is something that, you don't have to, it's not MLM. You don't have to sponsor people and all that other nonsense. This is something that's a learned skill that I'm teaching. I've got a lot of people to get this course, and they seem to be very satisfied with it. And I would like for you to take a look at this because this is something that can definitely change your life for the better. It doesn't take a lot of time to do, but once you learn this methodology, this way of trading, you will, and I don't say this, I mean, I'm not trying to say it in a cliche way, but you'll never have to worry about money again, because once you learn this technique, it's like riding a bike or swimming. You'll never forget it. Not only that, but you can teach your kids, your grandkids exactly how they can do this so that they don't have to ever worry about making money again. Whether the economy is good or whether it's bad, this program and this type of business will always be in existence. This is the backbone of the worldwide economy, guys. Okay, you're not having to do the whole meeting things and mail out flyers and things like that. That's fine and well, but if you want to learn an actual skill set that you can take with you, and you can make money at will, as much as you want to, then you need to check this out. It doesn't make any difference if you are on vacation anywhere around the world. All you need is your laptop and an internet connection, and that is literally it. Okay, if you can spare 30 minutes to an hour per day, then you can definitely do this. You can definitely learn this. You can definitely make some really good money with this. Okay, so with that being said, thanks so much for taking a look at this video. Again, the website is www.secretwealthprogram.com. Actually, it's not a website, it's a video. And go take a look at that video. It's a YouTube video about 20 minutes long. And I ask you just to follow the instructions on the screen there. If you're interested in this, then please go take a look at it. You'll be very impressed. But the main thing is you're going to be making some really good money. If you can follow some simple instructions and have an open mind. Okay. Thanks very much and have a good day. Bye.